I think they take more.
From Global, Eve. Third place from Gymnics, Willow. Woo! Second place from Gymnics, Aria. First place being champion with a score of 9.350 from Bogies, Maddie. All right, floor exercise. Taking fifth place from Flip Stars, Journey. Fourth place from Gymnics, Grace. Third place from Gymnics, Willow. Second place from Global, Eve. And your first place floor champion with a score of 9.125 from Gymnics, Aria. Fourth place from Gymnics, Grace. Third place from Gymnics, Willow. Second place from Gymnics, Aria. First place ball champion with a score of 9.1 from Global, Eve. Aria. Fourth place from Gymnics, Grace. Third place from Bogies, Maddie. Second place from Gymnics, Willow. And first place bar champion with a score of 9.250 from Global, Eve. Tenth place from Gymnics, Bria. No, actually it's 9. They've got my numbers wrong. 9. All right, 8th place from Gymnics, Cambry. 7th place from Flip Stars, Lakin. 6th place from Bogies, Maddie. 5th place from Flip Stars, Journey. 4th place from Gymnics, Grace. 3rd place from Gymnics, Willow. 2nd place from Gymnics, Aria. First place all-around champion with a score of 36.300 from Global, Eve.